Stone. Okay, we're ready. We're recording. Okay. All right. It won't be able to hear your voice because we're coming out. You're coming. Hold on. Put you on speakerphone. You will hear your voice. Hold on a second. You there? Okay. It'll record your voice now. Okay. All right. So start your Facebook. So what we're showing you how to do is how to copy photos from Facebook into folders on your computer. All right.
Yes.
Okay. So call up your Facebook.
Yes.
Oh, hold on. You have to go into, sorry, before you do that, you have to start screen sharing so we can see what you're doing.
Okay.
You're coming up? Okay, that's there. Now, okay, now start Facebook.
To go into my own home page, my page, not the home page.
Oh.
Go to photos. Get got the photos that I've got in here.
Okay.
I've got a lot of photographs here.
Okay. All right. Now, what you want to do is open one of those photos, probably full size. So just click on it.
Can we do one at a time, or can we do more than one at a time?
You can only do one at a time.
Okay, so click on that photo.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Now, right-click on the photo.
Yes.
And say Save Image As.
Yes.
Okay. And because this is the last folder you used last time, it's opened up that folder when you last saved it, right?
Right, it's opened the full generations one.
Okay. No, it's opened up the folder called Old Irvine's Hunter.
All right.
If you wanted to go to another one,
how
click.
Do you see that?
I can up the top. It's got this on the underneath save. It's got this PC.
Yeah.
Pictures Old Irvine's Hunter. So if you wanted to put it in the other folder, right?
And I want a new folder. It's a different thing altogether.
Well, let's say we'll put a new folder. You can move it else otherwise. Click on Pictures up the top where it says Pictures. Now you can see there's the Old Irvines and the Old Irvine's Hunter, right? If you right-click anywhere there, you can create a new folder. New folder. Call this a test one for the time. Okay, whatever.
Okay, Ireland. Yes.
Okay, then just press enter on that or click on it.
Yes.
Now, if you want to save it in that folder, you've got to double click on the folder to go into the folder. Okay. Now, if you look at the top, it says this PC Pictures Ireland.
Yes.
Now, down where it says, go down, bring your pointer down where it says file name. No, don't click save yet, which says file name. If you click on that file name, it changes to blue. You can change the file name to whatever you want rather than using that name, which was the Facebook name.
I'll call it Irvine.
Okay, and just click on save.
Save.
Done.
All right.
Just click save, yes.
All right.
And it's done. Okay. So just to hell of it, we'll do another one.
Yes.
All right, go to another photo.
Just there to the follow one. Yes. Yes, I want that one.
Okay. I don't know what folder that's got to go in. So once again.
This is going to be Irvine.
Okay, so right click.
Ireland.
Okay.
Go to options.
No.
No.
You right click on the photo.
Oh, I can already see. Save image as.
Yeah.
Now what do I do?
Well, you're already in Ireland. Notice at the top it says this PC Pictures Ireland, so you don't have to change folders. All you've got to do is just change the name of the folder. No, don't click save. Just claim the name of the file. It was already blue, and you clicked it again, which it turns it to not blue. Double click on it. Okay, now you can just type, and when you type, it'll go over the top of that name that's already there.
I want to put this Irvine. I thought you said that that's what that was.
No, with this the name of the folder. It's the name of the one, the file name of the where you got the horse and that. No.
Okay, I've made a mistake. I should have put those all in Ireland. It doesn't matter. So I'll put it.
Well, you're in Ireland.
Oh, okay.
So it says this PC Pictures Ireland. You're not, the thing you're not understanding, Diane, this is renaming the photo, not the folder.
Okay.
So type in a horse and two children, whatever.
Photo is this one with the horse.
Yeah, just type in, just type in something now. Just start typing.
Like what?
Whatever you want to call the photo.
Ireland, I want to call it. And you just said to me it's already called Ireland.
No, you're in a photo called Ireland. If you want to call this photo Ireland, you can.
Okay.
Just double click on that on the name of the file name. No, you're typing it and pushing the rest of the name to the right. Okay, it doesn't matter. You can just delete the rest of it out if you want to. If you double click on it, on the photo name, on the icon, the file name, now you type Ireland, it'll go over the top of it. Okay, and just click on save.
Right.
Okay.
Different one, isn't it?
Yeah, but it's okay. All right. All right. I still don't think you understand what you're doing. You're doing it, but you don't understand what you're doing.
Well, we've got it on tape, so I can go back and.
No, but you don't understand what you're doing. We've got it on tape. It's showing you what to do, but you're not understanding what you're doing. What you're doing, just go to another photo so we can do it again. Go to another photo, any photo, doesn't matter. All right, that one, for example. All right, let's say that you want to put this in 4th generation, for example.
My
Okay.
God, this is a completely different.
Okay, it's completely different again. We'll make a new folder if necessary.
I don't really want that.
Okay, we'll go to another one then. Go to another photo. Anyone, doesn't matter.
I think, yeah, this is that. This is okay. I can call that something.
Okay.
I can call this Tasmania.
Okay. All right. So you right click on the photo. You save image as.
Save image as.
Okay. All right. Now you want a new folder, and by the way, if you created a new folder here, it would be under the folder for Ireland. You want it under the folder for pictures. So click up on pictures up the top. No, up there. That's right. Click on pictures. Okay. Now you can right click on the white area. Create a new folder. Now, just explain. You're creating a folder. A folder is a container that can contain files, can contain many files and other folders if necessary. So, no, you just left it at new. All right. Okay. So just go back to pictures again. Go back to pictures. No, pictures up the top. Okay, well, that's another way of getting to it. Okay, where you've got new folder there, click on new folder. Now right click and go to rename.
I forgot you have to do name.
Type in Tasmania if you wanted it.
Oh,
no, you didn't type in a new name.
I know.
Go to pictures again.
Oh my God, every time you do something, it goes.
No, it's the way it works because you don't understand the way it's working. Okay. Right click, go down to rename. And notice the name is in blue. Whenever you get a name like that in blue, it means you can type over the top of it. Yeah. All right. So just type Tasmania if you want to call it Tasmania. Okay. All right. Now just click on the folder itself, not on the name, on the folder, the yellow bit. Okay. Now it's called Tasmania. To go into Tasmania, you double click on it. So you're now in the folder Tasmania. You know you're in the folder Tasmania because it says this PC, pictures in Tasmania. But what you want to do now is now this is what you weren't understanding before, so I want to explain this. You're in a folder called Tasmania. Tasmania is just a folder. It's a little bit like a manila folder. You can put individual pages in it. The page.
You need to name the photograph.
You're going to name the photo itself, which is a file name. So you double click on the file name. Now you can call it 3 people or you with Christmas or whatever you want to call it.
Just Tasmania will do.
Okay. But you can't call them all Tasmania unless it's Tasmania 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever. Yeah. Just type it. Type it now, Dianne. Type it.
Can't I just go up to this word?
No. Okay. You're renaming the file. No, you didn't. You didn't save it.
I clicked enter. I should have clicked shift. That's what I keep doing. Sorry. Have I got to go through that all over again?
Well, actual fact, it's saved there now. Just to show you,
yeah.
If once you've saved that now, if you come out of Facebook, well, it doesn't matter, you come out of Facebook, go to your file manager, which is down the bottom of the screen on your taskbar. Click on file manager. That's it. The little yellow icon. No, the little yellow icon on your test. That's it. That's your file manager. Okay. Okay. Go to pictures on the left-hand side. No. Oh.
The left-hand side.
Yeah. Well, either will do. Okay. And there are each of your pictures. Go to the one that says Tasmania.
It's gone in. What didn't do save?
Because you had already saved it.
Oh, okay.
You saved it with that name. Now click on that one that's there and right click and rename it.
Now it's the shift key.
You know, it's not a shift. Oh, yeah, I see.
To do
You don't have to. You can just type. Just type, and it'll go over the top of it.
capital letter. That's what I was doing. I was pressing enter instead of shift. Now I press enter.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now it's called rename that. Okay. And just by the way, if you click back on pictures up the top there again,
they all come up.
They all come up. So there's all your pictures. You've got a camera roll. You've got Ireland, Old Irvine's, Hunter, and Tasmania. But under each of those, you can have multiple folders. And by the way, you know, you can have multiple categories. You can have a folder under a folder. So if you went to Tasmania twice, for example, in 2007 and 2010, you could have a folder called 2007 Tasmania and another folder called 2010 Tasmania, and put the photos in there. That's the whole idea of having folders and classifying them.
Yeah.
So do you understand that?
I do. Yeah, I remember you teaching us that before, years ago.
That's right.
Folders.
Okay. So obviously you still
Tired.
still don't understand. Okay, that's it. I'll stop the broadcast. Righto.
Thank you. Can you send me the
link to the broadcast?
This, so that I can go back and look at it all over again. I know it's my age.
That's not. No, it's not. It's not your age. It is the just the thing that some people don't remember as good as other people. I don't remember things, but what I do, I remember where I write them down and remember whether I store them on a computer.
Okay. Well, you know its age when you can't even
I know it's in Tasmania or something like that, right? And by the way, if you get to know things properly, you can create your own documents with your own links, which link all this stuff together.
What I'm disappointed in is that you've got to do this individually. Like I've got about 50 photographs from Tasmania. To get them all onto here, which is actually getting them off Facebook and onto my hard drive, I've got to, anyway, I've actually got them all on a USB SD card. I've actually got them all on an SD card. So if I loaded that SD card in, I could put the whole lot into Tasmania, into my Tasmania file.
Okay. Another thing you can do, which is
That's another day.
Another thing you can do, which Google allows you to do, but Facebook doesn't. You can, and that's why I wouldn't put all my photos on Facebook for many reasons. But
I don't put them all on Facebook. I usually, up until I got this horror of a thing here, I used to, on 7, I used to be able to just download them, put them onto my computer in a folder. So I had all that going normally and correctly.
Okay. Well, the only thing is, you'll never. You asked me a question in another email about Google Drive. OneDrive, Microsoft OneDrive. Well, Google have also got a facility where they'll copy all your photos for you in the one hit.
I know, but you know what? This morning, that's another thing that Microsoft came up with, a big thing with the OneDrive on, and I knew I didn't want it, but I'd forgotten that this information came from you. But you don't use it, do you? That's what you said. You don't use.
I don't use Google One. I don't use Microsoft OneDrive. I do use Google Drive a little bit, and I also use another one called Dropbox. But the advantage is, it keeps your it keeps your photos away from your computers. And the thing that's going to could go wrong with all your computers. What happens if your house burns down?
I know, but I can go and get Facebook up on any other old computer.
Yeah, but you can only take them off one at a time on Facebook. Yeah. Whereas if you use Microsoft OneDrive or Google Drive, you can bring them all back in bulk. Okay. You can say, I want all my photos back on my computer and do that.
You bring that up for the next meeting or do another hangout about that later.
Okay. Yep, righto.
How to use the Google Drive.
Oh, yeah. Okay, no problems.
Okay, Jeff.
All right, then. So we'll just stop the broadcast. Can you just come back to the screen, the main screen? Switch off your file sharing. Okay.
Hang on a minute, I've got to get rid of that, I think.
Okay, that doesn't matter. Okay. It's back to me. I'm back onto my screen. Okay. I'll stop the broadcast.
I think I lost you.
No, I'm here. I'm here. Yes. Oh, I think you clicked the whole lot off. Okay.
Yeah, I have.
All right, I'll stop the broadcast and I'll send you a link to where this file is. In fact, I know the link now.
Thank you so much.
No worries.
I'm so relieved. Look, I can go to my desktop setting and I can put the folder up on there or whatever. But I'll have to go through all of these, and I agree with you. I need to clean them out.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay then, Dianne.
Thank you, Jen.
No worries. Bye.
I'm glad I'm not having to. I'm glad I'm not paying you by the hour unless you're going to send me a bill anyway.
Yes, it's just has cost you $10,000.
Coming in the mail, the bill. Thank you, Jen.
As I always say to people,
Appreciate it, you know, you
for
really
me,
are.
For me, helping you out, all I ask is you help somebody else out at some stage.
Oh, yes,
in another way, even.
So I sent when Lynn asked me something, I sent a email to her with your referral so that she could get it off there. I didn't try to help her. I gave her your number. But you've got to have, she's not terribly proficient with the computer. That's coming from me. So that's
okay.
Right, okay, bye then.
All right, I'll send you the link shortly. Okay, bye.
Bye then.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye. This is where I get the link from here. It's called up here. Okay. This is not showing my screen. That's probably so you won't see it. I have to show my own screen to show you how I'm getting the link. All right. But I've called the link up. I'll stop the broadcast.